take a nap.
Joe, it's on the video now. Come on, Clemson. Come on.
Good boy.
Come on, Clemmy. That's so funny. Should get him into really deep snow. Hi, mister. Bailey, where's your friend?
Hello. 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 Hello.
Hi, Joe. Clemson. It's like, feed me, please, please.
Here, watch this. Clemson, sit. Sit.
Oh, good
paw.
sit. Oh, good paw.
Hey, good paw. Down. Nope. Clemson, sit. Clemson. Oh, you're not gonna eat it because Bamba's are good dog too.
Whoa, whoa. Distracting.
I'm gonna take a minute to feed him because if not, we're gonna get him off the schedule.
Okay.
Where'd he go? Where is he? Where is he? There he is.
Okay.
There he is.
So do you want to come in with me and we'll do that later?
Okay.
Bailey.
Good boy. Bailey.
So funny, you can't see Clemson at all.
Like, I'm not going all the way over there. That's it.
Clemson! You could not see him.
Clemson!
Clemson, come here.
Come!
Come here. Clemson, come here.
Bailey, your name's not Clemson.
There's a car that got stuck.
Oh no.
Yeah. Like,
Right up
on Monument.
by the tennis court.
Dude, I just shoveled. Thanks, Dick.
Yeah, I have a feeling we'll have to shovel again, Paul.
Oh yeah. It's supposed to be another 4 to 8 inches.
What are they saying?
4 to 8 inches more.
4 to 8. The guy wagging said 10. Are you kidding?
We already got 18 by this morning.
Okay. Clemson, let's go in so we can get you breakfast.
Breakfast?
Breakfast.
Breakfast.
Come on, let's go in so we can get you breakfast. Okay.
So funny, he does his tough guy growl. Clemson got in trouble. La la la.
Goofy. Clemson, hello.
He loves the snow.
Hi, Bailey.
Portuguese.
Where's your girl? Where's your girlfriend, Bailey? Bailey's just been sitting in piles of snow. It's been fairly funny.
Oh, thanks for the kisses.
Billy's like, pay attention to me.
He's like, my dad, please. Hello, my dad.
Ooh.
Hello, buddy. Come on.
Come on, buddy.
Let's go with some food.
We're gonna go get food.
Come on, Clemson.
All right, say bye, guys. Bye, Laura. You're on video. I got you. Bye. Boo boo. Say goodbye. Bailey. Bailey, ball. Bales. Bailey, come on. Bales. Bailey.
Those are hot commodities.
Yeah. So
Bailey.
I know that's.
Come on.
Clemson.
Go get it.
Clemson.
He's learning how to...
Bales, it's right there. I see it. Get it.
Clemson.
Did Clemson get it? Clemson got up there?
Yeah.